Can you see this photo I have converted into this keychain? Yes, you're listening right. This is not keychain, this is a baseball bubble head. How you can make this? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Watch the video till the end and share with your friends how you can do so. First of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the chat GPT, and over there I am showing you that you have to go to this images option, and from there images option you have to go to this option over here, and you will see this 1 second. This one is the keychain, convert into, oh sorry, I wanted to change into baseball bat. Okay, baseball bat, this one is the baseball bubble head. Okay, and choose the file which you want to make a baseball head file. 1 second, where I'm over here, I'm choosing this, and it's starting working on this, and in no time it will convert your image into this baseball head. This was my photo, and this is the baseball head. It has been converted. How cute it is looking. How you can share this video with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this. Bye bye for now. Comment down, did you know that?